Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the alarm clock that isn't working on your iPhone device. So the very first thing that I recommend you to do, and this is by far one of the most obvious fixes, and this is to go ahead on the side of the phone and just make sure that your iPhone isn't on silent. And if it is, this may be causing you to have the no sound issue on the alarm clock. However, this shouldn't be the case, but I know for some iPhone users, this has funnily enough caused a glitch. So if this is on silent, you just want to toggle this up on loud mode. And the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and ensure that your ringer is also turned up as well. So another really awesome fix that you can try is to actually go ahead and adjust the alert and ringer volume in your iPhone. This is sometimes set as a separate setting from the buttons on the side of your phone. So as you can see, my volume is on the maximum at the moment, and I also have the loud switched on. However, if I go into settings, and then if I go down to sounds and haptics, and as you can see, the ringer and alerts volume is on the absolute minimum. So this means phone calls, alerts, and messages, the actual sound that I will be receiving will be very low, even though my volume is on the maximum as well. So if you want to go ahead and adjust this, you can simply slide it up to your desired level, or alternatively, you can go ahead and change with buttons. So this means that when you change the ringer and alert sound, it will be in sync with your buttons as well, and this will also adjust the sound of music and videos and so on. So another really awesome fix you can try if the alarm is still not working is to simply go ahead and restart your device. So much like when you restart a computer or any electronic device, this should hopefully remove any temporary glitches or issues that the device may be encountering. So if you have the iPhone 6 or below, you can simply restart by pressing the home button and the lock screen button for around 30 seconds. And you just want to keep pressing these buttons until the actual device restarts. And if you have the iPhone 7, you can restart by pressing the volume down and the lock screen button together for the same amount of time. And if you have the iPhone 8 or above, you can also restart by pressing the volume up, down, and then the lock screen button for the same amount of time, and this will go ahead and restart your device as well. So another awesome tip you can actually try is to actually go ahead and adjust the settings within the alarm app itself. So I've just gone ahead and opened up my alarm. Now once I'm in here, I just want to tap on edit, and then I just want to go ahead and tap on a particular alarm. And one thing I would note, as this has actually happened to me many times, is that I'll actually put the alarm on a repeat. So this means the alarm will go off only once every week on a Tuesday. However, if I want it to go off every day, I can just go ahead and deselect this. And this means it will repeat every day. And alternatively, I can go ahead and maybe select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way to Friday, so it only goes off during the weekdays as well. And alternatively, you can also go ahead into the sound, and this will allow you to adjust the actual sound of the alarm that may be going off when the alarm is triggered. So once you're in here, you just want to go ahead and select your chosen alarm sound, as the one you may be using actually might be quite silent. So there you have it guys. Hopefully this video has helped you on getting your alarm clock back up and running on your iPhone device. And if you've come up with your own fix or solution on how you got your alarm clock to work, please share it down below in the comment section, as this will help many other iPhone users out there as well. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.